Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Wily Wednesday. And yes, it's a bonus this week because you've got two of us. Aren't you lucky?
They've got you, and they got me.
Yes.
That's two.
And look, something's changed. Can you spot what's different about Paul? No? Yes? He's had a haircut.
Just a quick one.
And not before time. So, I've still got my cold.
Aww. I had a
Yes.
sore throat yesterday.
Paul had a sore throat yesterday. I'm still full of
Joy
joy and peace
and harmony.
and harmony. I'm always in harmony, I think you'll find. I'm always in my Zen
Zone. Your
Zone.
Zen zone.
Zen zone.
Zen zone.
That sounds like a new video. Get into the Zen
Zen
zone
zone.
with Richard.
I'm Paul.
Are you in a Zen? You're not in a Zen. Stop trying to be mean.
Oh
Paul.
dear.
Just because you got recognised on a train.
At Crewe.
Don't push it.
At Crewe.
In Crewe. In Crewe. I used to live in Crewe many years ago.
Have I ever been to Crewe?
No. And I'm not going to say anything about Crewe because there may be viewers in Crewe.
Well,
But
there
it-
are. Because they
Oh,
saw
yeah.
me on the train.
That's right, there are.
Oh dear.
No, Crewe, I lived in Crewe in the 80s. I think it might have been slightly different in the 80s than it is now.
Yeah, I think so.
But there's a train station there.
And I was on the train, at the train
Paul
station.
was on the train.
I don't think there's just one train that goes through each.
No, there's a
I
lot
think
of
there's quite
trains. A lot of trains. It's a big term. It's a big sort of not terminus.
It's just a big station.
It's
a lot
a
of people
big
go through it.
interchange. Change at Crewe.
Oh yeah, they do say that.
Change
Change
at
at Crewe
Crewe.
for Barley McGrew. Yeah.
I don't think they say that, Paul.
No, they don't, but it rhymed, so it was okay.
Anyway,
Wily Wednesday.
Wily Wednesday, and we're staying on the theme of potatoes because at this time of year, people, I think are comforting themselves with the gorgeousness of a cooked potato.
We are.
Well, it wouldn't be a raw potato, would it, really?
No, you can't have raw potatoes.
Oh, well, I used to enjoy a piece of raw
Oh, you
potato when I
didn't?
was a child.
Honestly, you were so poor though, weren't you?
We were poor.
Yeah, you couldn't cook the potato.
No.
No.
No, I did. I used to quite like eating a piece of raw potato.
I don't think
I
I've
was
ever-
extremely greedy.
I've not eaten raw potato. Have I eaten raw? No.
I'm sure you
I've eaten
have.
worms and sand, but not raw potato. Have I eaten raw
Oh,
potato?
disgusting.
I've had raw sweet potato.
Have you?
Anyway, not well timed. Potatoes.
So today we're going to show you how to do our super quick roasted potatoes. Now, you might be in the mood for roasted potatoes or roast potatoes as we call them in the UK, in England.
In England.
Roast potatoes or roasties.
Roasties.
Now, you might be in the mood for them, but can't be bothered to fire the oven up to 200 degrees and leave it on for 45 minutes or so, usually, for roast potatoes,
Well,
I
an
think.
hour for me.
45 to an hour, depending on
At their size.
the size,
Their type.
the texture,
All of that, really.
and also having to parboil. That means part boil.
If
but
you
we
do
say,
parboil.
We say parboil in cookery.
You've always parboiled yours, haven't you?
Yes.
I haven't. I
Yes,
just
I've
put them
always
straight in.
parboiled to get them rough around the edges. So all of that faff, boiling potatoes, then having to put them in the oven for an hour to make beautiful roasted potatoes, it's not necessary. You don't need to do that.
And also, this would be really good for the summer when you don't want to put the oven on.
But you fancy roast potatoes.
So if you're in Australia, this is who was saying
Carol
that?
Ann.
Carol Ann was saying that she doesn't like putting the oven on
Well,
because of the heat, obviously.
Neither do we in the
No,
summer.
no.
But also you might be wanting to cut down on oil intake. This version uses minimal oil rather than the potatoes sitting in fairly deep fat for a long time. I mean, okay, the whole thing about a roasted potato and its lusciousness is very often to do with the amount of fat that it's absorbed during the cooking period.
Because of the crunch.
Therefore giving it a really thick, crunchy coating. So okay, maybe these potatoes aren't as gorgeous as that, but they certainly are lower in fat, quicker to cook. You're going to be able to do these roasted potatoes in probably under half an hour.
30 minutes.
Depends on how many potatoes
Oh,
you've got.
It does, yeah.
We're cooking enough potatoes for 2 people, and we're using 2 cooking methods: microwaving and grilling. Yes. Grilling. I know. Intrigued? I think you will be. So, the method basically is we're using small to medium-sized potatoes. Stop distracting the viewers, Paul.
I was doing a potato.
I think that was changing the light bulbs, which is actually a way of Bollywood dancing. I think you'll find.
Yeah.
Small to medium potatoes, and they're going to be cooked whole in the microwave. Now,
all over.
they're going to be scrubbed.
Yeah.
But we're going to keep the skins on.
Yeah.
Skins on,
scrubbed, and then get a fork and prick them all over.
Well, I use a knife and I stab them repeatedly all over. And then they're ready for cooking. Now, normally in a category E microwave, which is 950 watts, they're going to take approximately 2 to 3 minutes per potato to cook. So we're going to cook our potatoes, and I would imagine we'll probably do, 5 or 6 potatoes?
We'll do however many I've already cleaned.
How many have you cleaned?
I think 7.
Right, so we'll probably do about 5.
Yeah, we'll do 5, yeah.
And what you do is you count the number of minutes per potato. So 5 times 2 is 10. So we'll put them in for 10 minutes in the microwave, and then we'll test them with a knife to see that they're cooked through.
Do you put them on a plate or in a bowl?
On a plate.
I put mine in a bowl.
No.
No.
You arrange them on a plate in a circular pattern.
Oh yes, I do that. Then I put them in a bowl, yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to butt in with? Round, circular. That's what microwaves like, circles. Once they've microwaved, and in fact, when you're coming up to sort of the last few minutes in the microwave, you turn your grill on.
Oh right, you're not going to turn the potatoes
No, you don't
over.
need to.
Oh, I turn them over.
No, you don't need to with small potatoes,
I'm wasting
Paul.
my time.
I am the microwave expert in this house, I think you'll find.
I heat up tea.
I've been using a microwave a lot longer than you.
Oh dear. Right, we cook them now.
Oh, you want to know now, do you? So the last few minutes of the microwaving, turn your grill on, and turn your grill on to medium hot. For example, our grill goes up to 8. I'm going to set it to 5. Okay? And I'm also only going to set it to the centre part of the grill. I'm not turning the whole grill on. Some of you might have 2 halves. Just use 1 half if you're only doing potatoes for 2 people. You don't need to use the full grill.
Saving electricity.
We're just going to turn the grill on so it heats up. When the potatoes come out, we're going to pop them onto a tray, a baking tray, and we're going to lightly drizzle them.
I'm going to break them up with a fork.
Sorry, I'll backtrack on that. We're going to come out of the microwave with the potato. Then we're going to take the microwaves out of the potatoes. We're going to take the potatoes out of the microwave, and we're going to roughly cut them in half, and we're going to sort of rough them up a little bit.
We're going to break them apart
Just slightly.
with 2 forks, back to back.
Well, you could just squeeze them.
No, it's better doing it like that.
No, you could just squeeze them.
It's better doing it like that. Otherwise, they're crushed potatoes rather than roast potatoes.
You just squeeze them.
Can use
And we're going to drizzle them with oil.
olive oil.
You can use olive oil
Or whatever.
or whatever other oil you've got. And then they're going to go under the grill. And they're going to go under the grill for approximately 6 to 7 minutes. Then you're going to take them out, turn them, and put them under again for another 6 to 7 minutes. And I promise you, you're going to end up with crispy, fluffy, roasted potatoes, beautifully browned, without going near an oven.
Are you going to season them?
Well, you can season them, that's optional.
I always season them
You can season them if you wish,
before
but
I
that's
put the oil
optional.
on. Yeah.
It's optional. You can season them with whatever you want to season them with.
You could put chopped rosemary over that.
And you can serve them with sausages, cold meats if you're a meat eater, fish, whatever you
Well,
like.
anything,
A
really.
salad, hummus,
Eggs.
eggs.
We had egg and chips the other day. Egg and roast potatoes.
I mean, they're really just like big chips.
They are, yeah.
Really. So there you go. That's the method. Let's show you how to do it. And we do hope you enjoy it. What was that?
That
That's
was saying
pointing.
we're going to the kitchen.
Thank you, Paul, for that direction. And we hope you enjoy the next segment. And we shall see you in a moment. I've still got a cold,
He's
you
still got
understand?
a cold. He's still got
I'm
a
still
cold.
not 100%.
Poor thing.
And I've just spent 2.5 very busy days at work.
Actually, you said Monday wasn't too bad. It was yesterday and this morning.
Okay, so we're in the kitchen now. Paul's going to stab the potatoes. Be careful, Paul. Safety first.
I've got an adult here.
Yes, a responsible adult. You see, I don't do them like that. I stab them with the knife right in. So the air penetrates right into the centre of the potato. That's probably why mine cook better than yours.
No, it's the microwaves that cook, not the air.
No, but... No, that's not true.
See?
Because
There we are.
the molecules will vibrate inside the potato.
I know, the water will carry it. So we're going to put these in the microwave now for...
Right, so we've got 5 there. So actually that should take just over 10 minutes.
Fine.
I would say 11 minutes.
10 minutes, 11 minutes. Right, in the microwave they go.
Right, so in they go. Into the microwave, the magical microwave machine. And we're going to dial...
I'm doing tea. 11 you want?
You're dialing 11 minutes, that's it. On we go! Okay, so they're out of the microwave, 11 minutes, and they're all perfectly cooked. So Paul's going to sort of roughly break them apart with a couple of forks. So you can see that technique he's using. And this is to sort of ensure that they're a little bit rough,
Yeah.
because then they're going to sort of go lovely and sort of crunchy on those areas.
Okay.
Great. So we're going to transfer them to a baking tray, and we're putting them in the centre of the baking tray because we're only using the centre part of the grill. And Paul's using forks here because, again, they're hot potatoes.
Hot potatoes.
And now Paul's going to drizzle them with some olive oil. We're using olive oil. You don't need to use too much. Enough, obviously, to, enable browning to occur. Great. And they're going into the grill, and we're going to time them for about 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, turn them over. them under for another 6 minutes. Okay, so here they are out of the grill, and they've got a nice crispy texture to them. They've got a crunch on the outside, they're fluffy inside, and they've got some nice little extra golden, slightly burnt bits as well, which we quite like. So there's our quick roasted potatoes, under half an hour, using the microwave and the grill, and we love them as an alternative to roast potatoes that are done in the oven with lots of oil. This is literally a drizzle of oil. If you want them slightly more golden, you could use a little bit more oil if you wanted to, but we think this method is just great for that sort of midweek roast potato treat. So there you go, Wily Wednesday, quick roast potatoes. So there we go, there's our gorgeous, gorgeous, quick, easy roasted potatoes using the microwave and the grill. We hope you enjoyed that video that was brought to you by Richard and
Paul. I got it.
And this has been Wily Wednesday, episode 4. That's right. And we hope to see you very soon for probably some slightly festive videos. I didn't mean to laugh in an evil way.
It's like evil Santa coming down the chimney.
I know, I meant to do it in a sort of Santa ho 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 ho. Even that sounded creepy.
I think forget that. Yeah.
So bye for now.
Scary. Bye.
You don't push it. Bye for now, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all subscribers, old and new, near and far, from all around the world. Thank you.